for SEC members, in particular, Honorable Segufu, to come here, start provoking the members.
Secondly, after my submission, you will find that we demanded an apology from Council as
minimizing and undermining I see a sign of arrogancy, a sign of pride, and a sign of politicking. Madam Speaker, I know we are in a place whereby we are running politics, we are mainly with one year. But we don't want to put politicking in this matter. This is the matter. Myself and my colleague respect the chairperson caucus of NUP, because we are members of NUP. But I'm very sure that
once someone makes an apology, it is a sign that that person has committed an offense and has accepted. When I believe that we have not committed any offense, then in truth, my NUP party does not work in instructions and directives. NUP respects the rights to speak. So I want
Honorable, who has directed who?
I'm reacting, Madam Speaker.
Drew a statement.
He did.
And
He made it. He made it.
Honorable Hakim, are we going to apologize or no?
Madam Speaker, with due respect.
Honorable Hakim,
Madam Speaker,
are you apologizing to this
it's not
council?
a matter of yes or no. It's a
I
matter of
am kindly reminding you that Honorable Mosh, with
remember
a
statements.
statement,
Those statements put on record. They are put on record. So the NUP party, I respect the NUP party. I belong to the respect the rights to speak. No, I cannot go by that.
What he was saying was presenting 44 Article 44 of the Constitution of
Republic of Uganda, fair hearing. Did not go ahead and define it. It was defined, Madam Speaker. It's given the audience friendly part. It doesn't go that far, obtaining the verdict. You've been given an opportunity to speak on behalf. So you've been given that fair hearing has been given to you, but you don't control the interpretation of the other side. So, as I conclude, Madam Speaker, we're asking wrong people to apologize.
Madam Speaker, allow me to inform.
Kasasiro what? But when I'm saying at Mr. Sebu's age, Madam Speaker, we are going to sleep here. Madam Speaker, Mr. Sebu is an adult. That's why I'm respecting him. Madam Speaker, if it is your will, I can stand here to say sorry for myself. I can say sorry on their behalf as a sake, and we move on as a council.
That is not granted. Procedure.
Madam Speaker, but I said this council.
14. B. Functions of the State Executive Committee. They assist the Lord Mayor in performance of his work functions under this Act. And A. Ensure implementation of council programs and decisions that we make. It is a decision of council we have to
Is dated on 16 September 2024 from the National Office of the State.
I have, as a secretary committee, we have reasons, fundamental reasons, and what opportunities we had. We just could be had. Why we cannot approve. Secondly, Madam Speaker, my chairman of the caucus, I'm a member of the National Unity Platform. It is a social democratic institution. It believes in fairness and justice.
They keep bringing up matters of their party in a house consisting of several parties. Madam Speaker, I would like to follow the members of state to check their matters of state to their caucuses. The members of who are also members of state to check the issues of no their secretary and defend themselves on the issue of apologizing to the entire council because other parties were equally offended. Thank you very much.
Honorable colleagues, Who is making the presentation, please?
Madam Speaker, today,
First House. Madam Speaker, we are all honorable members that representing the people of Kampala, and we are here equally. Madam Speaker, we cannot tolerate the disrespect of the SEC members in this August House. If we cannot apologize on behalf of the SEC members, then, Madam Speaker, as my colleague says, we can take a way forward and then we proceed. I beg to submit.
thank you so much.
Somewhere in your office. Not everything must be handled here. These are our leaders, and the impact is coming from our leaders. My suggestion, Madam Speaker, I'm just inviting, this is my suggestion, to have a one-on-one talk with the SEC members, with the SEC members, together with our Madam Speaker, I'm inviting you to handle this impasse so that all of us here can come together and start debating.
Which impasse do we have here?
There is an ongoing impasse, Madam Speaker, and you as a leader. Not everything must be handled by all of us here. Let our leaders go somewhere, sit, and talk about whatever is going on. We can proceed from there. Thank you very much, Speaker. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Continue disorganizing this council. Madam Speaker, at the moment where we are, we can't proceed with such disorganization. Madam Speaker, if the SEC has declined from the resolutions of this council, and that is to apologize why they didn't attend the second session last time, Madam Speaker, we ruled, and the council also decided that we cannot go ahead without them apologizing. My plea here is that we do away with the SEC and find a way forward as council to see how we are going to move with some what we can't leave object behind that is actually pressing outside
against the Honorable Male's submission to remind him that the content the Honorable Kcca referred to was committed against the entire House. So a suggestion that the Speaker engages in a one-on-one with SEC, I do not know whether the Speaker is in Uganda, what we call Rubali, Emmanuel, to carry our feelings along with her, but I'm sure that the House is strongly objective against such. Madam Speaker, if you permit me, I will move to remind the SEC, and particularly the Executive Secretary in charge of Fiscal Planning, Honorable Sebufu, to remind him the functions of the road plan, and I'll drive my point up to that stage where they come in. Section 11 of the Governing Act, notwithstanding, let me also remind you that all your offices statute. That the same statute that creates your respective offices is the same statute that creates this council. And it went on to provide for the functions of each and every office, and where such an office is answerable.
We have taken a decision as council. It is either a yes or a no. Yes. Then we get it. Yes. Such that we get the best foot forward. Yes. Honorable Sebu, are you going to apologize? Yes or no? Yes or no?
We are sorry, I want to apologize for this. Apologize to the members. You're supposed to be sat here for 4 hours waiting for you, and we didn't see you. Apologize, read the report, and let's get to know how to handle the garbage crisis in Kampala. It is as simple as that. We're not going to lose your weight, you're not going to lose your office, you're not going to lose any powers. It does not matter whether somebody watched you and told you to come and say, don't apologize. You are doing it for yourselves, you're doing it for your party, you're doing it for the people of Kampala. Apologize, read the reports, and let's move on. Without that, we are not going to lose anything else. We are going to wait for all that nonsense here.
Oyo azze kunvuma bebaze okunvuma bebasinga okubimanya naye abantu abo bakubye deputy speaker wange ng'agezaako okulwanirira obuyinza bwaffe ne bakuba kansala wange bakansalazi babakubidde ddala so kibadde kyannaku nnyo tukivumira ne sekuvumirira kino kikyamu ono politics twamuyitako dda yenna mulimu yemanyi bemanyi bulungi nnyo naye njagala mubagambe nga bategedde mawulire gano nti oyo politics twamuyitako dda nga kansa tugenda kutiisibwa na nsonga yonna nga bwe tulwanirira abatembeeyi ne batusiba ne tulwanirira abeera ku nguudo ne tubabeezaawo ne tulwanirira contracts z'enguudo nga ffenna twegasse tubanja report ne tubeerawo njagala mumbulire bannamawulire ki ekiganyiseeko tuwa report eyo nga twali tulwanirira enguudo baavaayo ki ekirimu ekyekusike.
So, the truth is, people of Kitezi, they have been sent away. People of Kitezi have been sent away, and school has already begun yesterday. And really, we have to fight. We have to struggle. Right now, what's the book? Right now, we have to fight for these people of Kitezi. I know people have your big plans of entering the parliament of Uganda, but really, let us fight for the people of Kitezi first before anything else. Thank you so much.
I, Zaharama, the speaker for Kampala, and my friends, we are not about to be intimidated by anyone. We are ready and we are going to sacrifice ourselves for the people of Kampala to get better leadership. We are ready to sacrifice anything for better leadership in the city of Kampala. Thank you very much, Council Adijari Side. That is the issue. There has been...
Tetwagala bya bufuzi mu nsonga eno. Lord Mayor alessa abayanye be batukubire mu council because aganye presenting a report. We want the report. Agiwaseeke but eriko strings attached. Lwaki report batwala mu parliament wano ne batatuwa report? Yagitwala mu cabinet. Report zagenda mu cabinet. Lord Mayor agamba talina report kyokka asobola ogitwale wa mwami Museveni.
Leero mu council mwena mukirabye. Ensonga yaffe efaanaganako n'ensonga ya council wedde. Twagala report okuva mu City Executive Committee ey'ebisasiro ebiri mu kibuga. Kasasiro ayitiridde buli wamu wonna mu kibuga. Twabadde tuyise n'abaana abakwatagana be twawa contracts okujja okuyola Kasasiro. Bajja batubule kyara ABCD bwe kiba nga kituufu it is okay. Nze gye nnakuzibwa bankuza era bwe mba neetaaga okugamba sorry nja kujoogera. Bwe kiba nga kituufu mulaalese evidence n'agikuba ku mmeeza. So mutusaasire ku lwekyo.
All the council was with that, with its regime. Madam Speaker, I believe those years they had their period, and those people worked to their best. But because of this constant politicking at the end of the term, it makes all the councillors down, and for them they stand alone. So, Madam Speaker, on this note, I believe we shall not get the best out of the executive around Madam Speaker. And Madam Speaker, if you look in this August House and you look in the exec and you see if we are so observant, or the Lord Mayor is not present, the FDC state members are not present, so we are fighting with our own. Madam Speaker, there is a saying in Uganda, Tenjo Kwezi Rwanda, remember, Madam Speaker, this is the time to fight for our people. And right now, we don't have a report, and we don't know. Actually, when you observe, I was so observant during the time when Mr. Minister was saying, I will not say sorry. Only 5 minutes afterwards, he said, I will not say sorry, and the guy who started the fight started clapping. Meaning, that guy, if you were observant, Madam Speaker, that guy moved out of the house. Maybe he got the answer from somebody and came back and brought some and told some guy again, if there is cameras here, and brought a note to the minister. This is not allegation. Our seat is just here. So, Madam Speaker, our own, they have a force behind them.
Clarification.
Madam Speaker, still. Madam Speaker, we are fighting a battle we don't know. Madam Speaker, we respect this council. And Madam Speaker, if these people are not, if there is no force, let them tell us the reasons. I stand with the Deputy Speaker that these people are not saying they will not say sorry because they don't feel it. They also feel the pain of Ugandans, but because there is a cause behind them. So, Madam Speaker, I stand to say that if they are not saying sorry, we shall not. I stand to move a motion that if they are not saying sorry, we shall not go with their report, because that means it's irrelevant. All the information is not true, Madam Speaker, unless otherwise. But I submit, Madam Speaker.
Respect each other. I want to request the people of Kampala to kindly pray for us as we execute justice for the people of Kampala. It is not just a matter of us saying that who was won, who was not won.
Tuba tukirabye bulungi nti SEC eganye under the Lord Mayor baganye okwetonda. Ffe kye tubadde tusaba kyokka betonde then badeliberating a report. So ne tukuba ebituli mu report gye batuleetedde. Tyolaba baganye okwetonda. Ate ekisinze okutuluma abantu be baleese okubeera nga bakola effujjo mu kanso. Weewaawo we tukirabidde kibasoose oli wagambye minisita wagambye mutajja kwetonda ne bakuba engalo ekitakkirizibwa mu mateeka agafuga kanso. Ekitegeeza nti yabadde bakiplaninze nti tebajja kwetonda, tebajja deliberatinga. Tewali nsonga lwaki tebatuwa report. Ffe twetaaga report. Tewali nsonga lwaki babeera nga bali mu mbeera bwe zityo. Ndowooza era tubawulira.
Saladina abuuka kanso n'agenda mu kabineeti ya mwami Museveni n'agenda mu kokasa n'awaayo ripooti n'agamba obudde obutuwa ripooti tabunya. Ayagala bali bantu baffe babiri be yasigaza ku komiti baliko abantu bate.
Okuva ku byatwatuukako ekiteezi fyonna bye tumanyi obulungi. Kati SEC ebadde erina okuleeta ripooti olwaleero yaweebwa ennaku 14 n'egamba tujongeremu obudde nejja negenda business committee nekitekebwa ku order paper ne bawa obweyamo nti bagenda kuleeta ekiwandiiko ekyo tukiteeseeko Kasasiro tumutereeze mu Kampala. Bwe bajja ne bagamba tibalina report. Obuzibu obwaliwo kwolwo lwennyini bagamba kabagireeta olweggulo ku saa 8 ne bakomawo baali bagenda gisoma ne bafuluma. Speaker kye yalaba naffe mu nkola eyaffe amateeka agafuga kanso tomala gafuluma kanso bw'otyo. Bafuluma kanso mulundi gumu nga bakubiddwa essimu. Ne tuteekawo olukiiko olwaleero ne bajja. Olwaleero Speaker n'abagamba beetonde aba SEC ekintu kye baganye okukola. Kino tugamba nti bayisizaamu olukiiko olukulu olw'ekibuga amaaso ne tugamba nti bagambe bugambi nti sorry kino kye kyaliwo baganya kikola ne tugamba tetujja genda maaso okuggyako nga bamaze okwetondera eri bannakampala. Thank you so much.
Nga kanso munama wena bakuyiriza saati ng'olabye okusookera ddala nga kanso wiiki ewedde twasalawo ogenda wansi tuyoleyo Kasasiro mu bantu kwatagane ne bano bonna abalina contracts zaffe mu kuyola Kasasiro balete emmotoka zaabwe tuyole Kasasiro tunoonye ekifo ekisobola okuteeka Kasasiro ave mu bantu kubanga agenda kutta abantu kuba Kasasiro mungi ate enkuba ye egenda kukola ki kutandika okutonnya gyali mu bantu ne tugamba tukwatagane divisions tugende wansi tusomese abantu ku ngeri basobola okusootingamu Kasasiro twakisalawo mu wiiki ewedde ne tusalawo nti tufune bakansulars abatono begatibweko ba technical staff bagende katikolo mukono bakwatagane ne leadership yeri batwongereyo ko obudde tujje nga tuyiwa Kasasiro nga batereze ebintu byaffe tubabuuza tuyina ddundu banaye mutusaasire bannakampala tuyina ddundu eka 135 tuyina kasenge over 35 acres bannanga ezo ziri lidda zagulwa kuteeka Kasasiro babuukabuuka nagula ttaka tuyina ebyo ebifo eyo report gye twagala jangu ogituwenga bwe nti so agenda kuyiwa Kasasiro ddundu kubanga ABCD abantu bali tuwewaddeyo n'okwewaayo tuweeyo amataka gaffe ge tuyina bayiwe mu Kasasiro banaamugjamu nga bamaze okukola ki nga batereze ebyaffe naye nga tunabakulowooza nti nno balina okuwutira report lwaki balowooza nti bino ebifo ebyagulwa luli Kasasiro tebisobola kukola Kasasiro kyennaku nnyo kyennyamiza
bali bali ku musayi gwa Kitezi abantu bafite wasiwe ebisaaniiko mu Kitezi
tukola politics walukwango mu Kampala basebaga bali bammeeyo naye bakolera abantu mu Kampala nabo bali opposition buli kasete for the last 15 years because has been lamenting he's not doing anything for the people of Kampala. We are tired. People of Kampala are tired. They are tired of tears, they are tired of lamenting. Bakoyo amazika bakoyo kuberanga mukasera aleta biwowe.
We don't need
Madam Speaker, this issue was raised in Parliament where the Committee on Kcca asked the DED why there was a consent judgment. I'm sorry to take us to Nwaka. There was a consent judgment done by Nwaka and Kcca for payment of 13 billion in compensation. Madam Speaker, the MPs asked, who makes resolutions of Kcca? It was noted it is the council. So everyone was shocked how SEC would make a resolution to have a consent judgment paid, which the people that were even being paid were not by coincidence. Secondly, and finally, Madam Speaker, if SEC seems to think they are going to operate in isolation, let them work alone, like they have been working. Let them make their resolutions like they made in Nwaka, and people are being compensated 13 billion. Let them make their resolutions. Last year, Madam Speaker, Council thought that our sessions were reduced by Parliament. Our council sittings were not choked by Parliament. They were choked by SEC. And the money was referred to, I think, the Lord Mayor's donations, the Christmas packages, something like that. But by the time your political head can cut your council sittings, what does it mean for us? If they think they are going to sacrifice us politically, yes, we shall leave. But we shall assure you, some of you who think you have white shirts, we shall leave grease on your white shirts and be sure that grease is that grease that will not disappear.
The mayor is a member of this council. And to me, I don't understand it. The only comes to council is the councillor. When the only comes to council is the councillor, and he has to abide by the rules of this council.
The Lord Mayor will go under answerable to council.
Madam Speaker, I'm sorry if I hit.
Yes.
I'm sorry if I hit where it has to.
Yes.
Whoever is the member of the council is the councillor. That is
brought to us by you. Then you want to stop management from from attending council because you've not come. What is this? These are letters flying all over. So, honorable members, there is a deliberate move to intimidate council.
Yes.
I want to assure you.
Which we shall not condone.
We can lose anything for the lives of Kampala people. No one is going to intimidate us. No one. No one. Take note that we are all leaders who represent people and all have the laws that we follow. So, honorable members, on that note, we do not have an apology from the City Executive Committee, and even what transparent in here. I will need only 3 people to deliberate on it and make a vote. Only 3 people. Honorable Nassau. That was transparent. I requested Honorable Seru to take his words out of the council chambers. Sorry, Honorable Chatterson and the other colleagues. I want to speak about the sound
bulungi nnyo nti nno nesseeke ina kulipotinga ku kanso bwepone wa minisita kakati gwe ate kugamba ku apologizinga ate lwaki twaapologizinga tunategeera tutya nti no ne byoleese mu lipooti byebyo ebituufu so kati embeera eyo ebaddewo kyova olaba wabaddewo eyo rakasi naye nze nja kugamba aba kansalazi bongere okubanga bagumu ku nsonga ze bakkiririzaamu kubanga batumibwa abantu eyo era twatumibwa abantu okubakiikirira era tugenda kuyimirira kweza ensonga noseeke ekola ensobi n'omwami fenna tusobola okukola ensobi naye twetonda ne Lukwago asobola okukola ensobi naye bakola ensobi aveeyo agambe nti nno I'm sorry era tusobole okumuvinga
mugenda kunitaba kanyama okunkuba kansa yongisuulewo n'olunaku n'olumu alamu tekigenda kusoboka kanso yange genda kusigala ng'eyimiridde ku mazima nga bwe mugirabye olwaleero mutu bakanyama bazze mulabyeko abaffe tubaddewo naye twerwaniridde paka ekintu bwe kikoze eki bwe kiwedde tubagamba ekigambo kimu tugenda kutuwa ripooti ya Kasasiro twantegedde tutya ebintu katubijja ku TV bwe nabadde ne luyimbazi ku NTV lweyogedde nti balina biliyoni 10 ez'oggula ettaka bwe nabye ne ku bbaluwa nga bagamba mwami Sebufu se bagenda ne minisita be bali ku lukiiko olulonye ettaka ly'okugula can you imagine twagirabye ku NTV bwe nategedde nti batuwa obuwumbi 16 obuddukanya ensonga ya Kitezi bukyanga enjegene egwawo abantu ze zibasuzanga batunula bwe nategedde nti abantu abadde bagamba nti tulina amafuta gateeka mu mmotoka nti babadde obuwumbi 4.5 Minister of Finance yabadde wiiki ewedde bayole Kasasiro bateeka amafuta mu mmotoka so tubitegerera abannaye nabitegeredde eri mawulire tubyagala wano mu kanso kiki ekigaana omuntu okujja tugamba ezo ensonga ate nga gwe oli day to day ofuna information eyo buli lunaku twechekinge tuwe bannakampala ekisinga obulungi
linnya kansala Assembly Daniel wano ku lukiiko olukulu olw'authority ekiikirira abantu b'Endeeba ne Lubaga naye ekibaddewo olwaleero kanso eno eya solid waste management nga item ebadde ku order paper olwaleero si kyekiyinza ogamba nti nno kirungi naye ate tetuyinza gamba nti nno tukyagala naye ate ebintu ebimu birina okubeerawo kubanga wabeerawo abo ababipulaninze mu bumpimpi wabeerawo kanso zibadde zituula bulijjo naye nga zibeera frustrated nti tubadde tusaba reports naddala okuva mu SEC nga ripooti ezo tezijja kakati olwaleero ripooti bwezze ne tugamba abataaliwo oluli kanso okusobola obutatuula ng'ate eno ssente z'omuwoomusolo bwe zigenda ne tugamba aba apologizinge kubanga ssente z'omuwoomusolo zigenda seke erina okuba ng'ereeta ripooti seke ekulembera mwami Lukwago erina okuba ng'etuwa ripootisi tezijja ate twebuuza mutubulire ensonga lwaki ripooti tezijja kanso zino zituula ne zifuloopinga kati ntugamba abantu ba apologizinge kweyo ensonga kuba tebabadde na nsonga nambulukufu gye bagamba kanso lwaki ripooti zibadde tezijja naddala ku item eya solid waste management kakati ekyo kivuddeko embeererezi n'okulaba nti nno omuntu ayimirira n'agamba nti nno kanso sijja ku apologizinga nga tawadde na nsonga ntuufu lwaki tajja ku apologizinga kakati ffe ne tugamba nti nedda nga tetunnaba genda wala sooka kanso togirespectinga kubanga kanso ye supreme body kwegamba buli omu alipootinga ku kanso
basanze bakibasobola kujja Kasasiro mu bantu naye nga yemulabye bazze ne babagaana ne babagamba mukole eki muddeyo baba alina obuvunaanyizibwa naye ensonga yaffe esigala eri emu kanso lwe lukiiko olukulu olusembayo mu kibuga Kampala olukulembera ekibuga Kampala era lwe luteekawo ebiragiro ebisemba oba enkola esembayo egobererwa buli muntu yenna abalala ne bakola ki ne bagigoberera so twasaba seeke ti olunaku lwaleero okuva lulinga 10 we twatuula mujje mutuwe ripooti ku Kasasiro yebedde ensonga ntono nnyo bwe batuuse wano omuntu bw'akola omusango mu kanso banno ne basaba nga tebamatidde bakugamba weetonde oba bakuwa ekibonyezo kyonna kyonna tusabye era munaakola kintu kyonna kyonna mwatutuuza mu kanso ne muganda okuleeta ripooti mutwetondere nga kanso ne tusalawo ekyo bannange ekiragiro kya kanso kiba kiragiro kya kanso oba mukyogedde musaaga oba kiba kiragiro tetusobola kukola kukikola ki kukizza bbali ate nga seeka omulimu gwakyo kuteekesa mu nkola ebiragiro ebyo tubasaba nti kintu kitono nnyo nnyonnyola lwaki temwatuwa report tugende mu maaso ne bagaana ne bagamba tetugenda kwetonda so twali tusobola kweyongerayo nga kanso kugenda mu maaso kufuna report gye bayina nga ne minisita yennyini avunaanyizibwa ku nsonga kubanga kye bakoze batusindikidde baminisita ba NUP ne bajjawo abaabwe aba FDC Lord Mayor ajjawo ababe so bano bajje ffe tufaafagane nabo naye regardless oba oli mu NUP naye ng'okola kikyamu ne bwembanze banteeke ku musaalaba oba okola kikyamu kisigala kikyamu tubagamba nga temunagenda mu maaso mwetonde baganye naye ate babadde batuleetedde abagenda okutukuba kuba babadde bagala kubba omuggo ogwo gwe mulaba ogw'obuyinza babadde bagwagala gutwala go babadde banonye then ne baleeta n'obukyala awo bugenda okutuvuma ekyennaku oba essanyu nti abakazi bonna abazze okunvuma bonna mbamanyi Kasasiro yatta abantu kyekyo twagala kutegeera tekigenda mu maaso tukola eki what do we do so tusazeewo tetusobola genda maaso paka nga seeke maze okutwetondera ekyo kimu ekyokubiri tubagamba ekigambo yenna ali emabega w'obuzannyo bw'okutukangakanga togezaako nze Zahara Mara Luyirika sipiika wa Kampala wamu ne kanso yange temugenda kutukanga tekigenda kusoboka